Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2019 Toyota Sienna. This vehicle is featured in gray metallic paint with alloy rims, rear privacy tint and sunshades, navigation, heated gray fabric seats, as well as reverse camera and 8-passenger seating. Now on to the interior of the Sienna. We'll take a look at a few of the interior features, starting off here with our door panel. We have our leather, door handle, window and mirror controls, and then below that we have our speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have power seat adjustment and lumbar support. Then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our traction control, power rear sliding doors on or off, then a little storage cubby with coin holders. Here we have our gauge cluster with screen in the middle. Controls for that screen are found off to the right of the steering wheel. We also have our lane departure and front collision alerts off to the right, and off to the left we have our radio and phone controls. Cruise control stalk is located underneath. Infotainment screen here features our home, menu, audio, navigation, as well as our phone connectivity and applications for the vehicle. You can see we have CarPlay here. Here we have our gear selection stalk, dual zone front, and then our rear climate, so tri-zone climate. Then we have a little screen displaying the driver, passenger, and rear temperature. Below we have a little couple of cup holders that slide out. Then we have our heated seat options, USB, auxiliary input, and 12-volt charging port, storage, and an additional charging outlet. You can see all the room in the front here. We can put a couple sneakers or really anything in this large area here. 2 cup holders, nice little pad for our phone or wallet while we're driving along. It also folds back to reveal a very deep storage center console on the inside. The front seats are featured in gray fabric. They're heated front seats with armrests. On the rear view mirror we have our garage door openers and dimmer, as well as our direction built in. Then above we have our sunglass holder, SOS, door opens, and then our dome lights. Now back onto the exterior of the Sienna, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Toyota badge center caps. We have paint matched mirror caps and door handles. A nice dark rear privacy tint. Then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Sienna and LE badging. Open our lift gate, and inside we'll find plenty of storage room, as well as the option to fold down the rear 60/40 into the floor to lay flat. Plenty of storage off to the left as well. Now moving on to the rear interior, we have the rear sliding power doors. To pull a handle, to slide open, we also have the option on the key for that feature. Step inside using the handle, then right below that we have our power door close option. Door will slide closed as well. Then overhead we have our rear climate controls. Full rubber mats on the ground in here, hooked to the back of the front seat, as well as magazine holders. We have our fold down rear windows, or slide down I should say. They also feature a rear tint. And then we also, in addition to the tint, we have sun visors, which slide up from the bottom. And storage on the side. Center area, we have some charging outlets and our fold down cup holders. We have a 60/40 split in the middle area here. It also folds down so we can get easier access to the rear 60/40 split. These are all featured in the same gray fabric we saw up front. We have cup holders off to either side. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2019 Toyota Sienna. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.